Hello, celebrity, megastar, and viral sensation. Celebrity Christopher and angelic celebrity Penelope Fountain going around the globe and every single nation. I'm out here in Florida looking at these beautiful animals. I'm going to get a close-up on them. They're very gorgeous animals. And I would love to bond with one of these animals. They are very, extremely beautiful animals. And I'm going to pull up and see if I have anything that she may want. My God, what a gorgeous animal she is. Wow. I'm going to go ahead and stop real quick, see what kind of food I have to give them. I'll shoot another video in about a minute. Actually, I may keep the tape rolling. Hold on a minute. All I have is this ravioli that I can probably give them. Okay? 1 second. I'm not sure if they're gonna want it, but all I can do is continue shooting this video, and hopefully, and I mean hopefully, I'm not wasting my ravioli on them. Come here. See if they can eat ravioli. Come here. And this is how I normally, wow. Look at, hey. Oh, they're gonna walk across the road. Wow. Hold on a minute. Hold on. Okay. I mean, yeah. Okay. I'll walk over there and see if they'll eat it. Come on. Take a look. In this video, this is live. And I am not playing games. I mean, I'm hoping they'll like it. Hey. There. There you go. Whoa. We're already bonding. Oh my God. They are eating. They are gonna eat. What a beautiful creature. My God, go ahead, feel free. I'm gonna back up. You're okay. And this is how I bond. I don't know if they want it. They might eat it. Come on, go ahead. I'm not gonna bother them. Yeah, go ahead. I just happen to not have any more bread, you know, on me at all, which I normally carry bread. That's sad. They actually won't eat the ravioli, unfortunately, but you know, I was hoping that they would, but for some reason they did not. And it's a little bit unfortunate, but at least I got them across the road safely for now. So I'm going to leave it alone. I'm going to go ahead and conclude this video. Oh my God, come on. Leave the animal alone. And I'm bonding with this animal. This, I don't know what they are. Some kind of crane or something like that, I think. They are just wonderful animals. Wow. And overall, I wish I had some bread, because I'm sure they would probably eat the bread. But they're walking. They are definitely walking. and they're looking for food, and they're gonna hopefully be able to eat and find some food. But I love these creatures as well. And there's a lake over there too as well. Have a good day. Thank you for watching another spectacular video once again.